Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make YouTube in Infinite Craft. So let's go ahead and start by dragging the fire here, adding the water in order for us to get steam, and then from our steam let's go ahead and add fire in order for us to create an engine. Now that we have an engine, let's go ahead and add another one. It's going to be steam, and then if you combine steam and engine, we produce train. Now that we have train, let's go ahead and add another element. So we're going to add fire and then engine and another engine. Now, if we are going to combine an engine and an engine, we should be getting a rocket. And if we are going to add or combine here a rocket plus the train, we should get a bullet train. And yeah, for the fire, let's go ahead and put you there. We'll be using you later. Let's go ahead and add another rocket and then more rocket. And then if we are going to go ahead and, oops, let's just remove that for now. Combine rocket, we get satellite, and then satellite, we have the internet. Yeah, we should definitely have not deleted the fire. So fire plus earth will become lava, and lava with water included, it'll become a stone. And then let's add some steam, and then let's combine these two together, and there goes our YouTube. And that, everybody, is how you're going to make YouTube in Infinite Craft.